A equal to app dot P. It is showing A edit field. Just press enter. Dot value. If you are missing the value, it will throw an error. So I'm assigning this as a A. See, it is not mandatory that I supposed to use here AB. I can change any name. I'll make it as XY. XY. Okay. Again, app dot. Second value B value, I supposed to access to the variable B. B edit field, it is showing dot value. V should be caps in value. Okay. If you notice here, for every word, the first letter is going to be caps for the tag name. Okay, now in X, I'll be getting a value. In Y, I'll be getting the B value. Now what I supposed to do? When I enter the values, and if I press on start button for calculation, automatically the sum should go. Sum should be displayed in sum edit field. Multiplication should be displayed in multiplication edit field, and so on. Similarly for subtraction and multiplication. So how I supposed to do that? App dot for sum, the name is given as sum. Yeah, sum edit field dot value is equal to, what should I write here? Anyone tell me? Any guess? What I supposed to write here? App dot sum edit field dot value equal to, what I supposed to write? Any guesses from your side? X plus Y. Correct. Now similarly, app dot in subtraction SUB, name I given as subtraction SUB dot value is equal to X minus Y. App dot multiplication MUL dot value is equal to X into Y. Multiplication symbol and then Y. Similarly for division, app dot div edit field dot value is equal to X divided by Y. Clear? Anything else we missed? I suppose all we added. Okay, so I'm just going to save this. So in same experiments, wherever you want to, you can save. I'm going to give name as my calculator. Now it is running. Now I'm supposed to press run. Yeah. See here. Any student tell me any value? What can I enter here? A value 10 I'm entering. B value 20. I'm just going to press start button. It is throwing error. We are supposed to identify where we have done mistake. Yeah, somewhere you see it is showing unrecognized property VLUE. Where is that? Here. Yeah, I changed it. Exactly. See, you can see the mark also. Red mark where it is showing. Here I am getting error. There you are getting a symbol. throwing an error. And 5. Yeah, see here sum. Could you able to see the readings? Sum is 10 plus 5, 15. 10 minus 5, 5. 10 into 5, 50. 10 divided by 2. Sorry, 10 divided by 5, 2. Clear? So this is how we can design our